Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can adjust height of upper rack in Bosch Dishwasher SPV. So in the first step, open your appliance and pull the upper basket to the front. As you can see, there we have a small gray elements of the both sides of the basket. If you want to adjust height of your upper rack, just push it to the inside the device, and now you can freely set just lift your upper basket or put it down to adjust the height of your upper racks. Of course, you have to do it on the both sides of your device, and that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.